Big event over the next 48 hours is going to be the demerger of Jio Financial Services from Reliance Industries. Remember that at the time of declaring the second quarter 23 earnings, Reliance had announced the demerger of Jio Financial Services for a ratio of 1 equity share of Jio Financial for 1 fully paid up share held in Reliance Industries. Now, this is now basically taking place. The process of demerger is taking place starting Thursday morning. First things first, the record date or the ex-date to determine who is eligible to get Jio Financial shares is 20th of July. So if you own shares as of that day, you're eligible to get shares in Jio Financial Services. Now, naturally, Jio Financial is being spun out of Reliance Industries. The share price of Reliance will have to adjust accordingly, right? Lower. That would essentially depend. How much lower would essentially depend on the value, what the street gives as value to Jio Financial Services. I will get into that a little later. But let's just tackle the immediate next couple of steps. On Thursday morning, exchanges will hold a special price discovery session for Reliance Industries. To use an example, suppose at the end of that, 30-45 minutes price discovery session on Thursday morning, Reliance Industries, say, closes at 900 rupees. This is just an example. And the prior close on Wednesday, that is tomorrow's close, is 1,000 rupees. Then that means the spun-off business, that is Jio Financial Services, will be quoted at 100 rupees. That is the difference between the price of the company undergoing the demerger, Reliance, on the day prior to the record date, and its discovered price in the pre-open session on the record date, which is Thursday. So 1,000 minus 900, 100 rupees will be the value for Jio Financial Services, using this as an example. Now, Jio Financial will also be included in indices specified by NSE. They published that list, including the Nifty 50, at this 100 rupee constant value. And it will continue to stay in the indices at this constant price of 100 till Jio Financial is listed. Remember, the date of listing is not known yet. But once Jio Financial is listed, at a future, yet unknown date, the stock will then be removed from the index after the end of the day on third day of its listing, subject to certain price fluctuation conditions. If Jio Financial, say, lists on day T, the stock will be delisted from the indices at the end of T plus 3 days. Now, just a word on the F&O impact for Reliance as well. In the run-up to the record date, which is day after, based on existing rules, all F&O contracts are going to expire tomorrow, as of the end of tomorrow. Now, to wrap this up, just a quick word, how is the street thinking about valuing Jio Financial right now? Well, markets are currently ascribing value only to the treasury stake of Reliance that Jio Financial would own. That's about 6% or so. And analysts are putting that number at between 160 to 200 rupees per share based on this holding. Of course, the value of Jio Financial would be higher, much higher, one presumes, as details on business strategy, targets, milestones, etc. are made public. And to that end, markets are expecting that the upcoming AGM will focus extensively on Jio Financial Services and the plans that Reliance has in that regard.